Like many holidays this year, Valentine's Day might be looking a bit different. Whether you're searching for activities for the kids or ways to celebrate with your partner, we got you covered. Founder of the event planning company FET, Jung Lee is sharing her ideas for how to make the day special for anyone who's in your life.
Valentine's Day is super special, so we need to make a great cocktail for it. We've got the champagne bucket, we've got our wonderful glasses that are also acrylic, so great for kids and husbands that are a little bit clumsy. I love using fruit as my decor. It's not always about the flowers, and if I do have some flowers, it's just a regular drinking water glass. The other thing I love is these are amazing cocktail napkins, and it just adds so much to it, especially you want your Valentine's Day elevated. And because it's also a Sunday, and obviously Sunday brunches are very popular, a nice way to do is like little heart-shaped pancakes and a smiley face to surprise your little ones. So I encourage everyone to see what do you have at your home, reinvent it a bit, and make it fresh for that one day. To me, setting the ambiance, especially a romantic dinner for two on Valentine's Day, is really important to me. Getting a simple pedestal bowl like this, filling it with just grapes, which you can also eat, cutting up a pomegranate and slicing it in half with some greenery, it's so easy to do. So don't think just about a floral centerpiece, something that's really fancy and expensive. Anything can be decor. Of course, lots of candles, because that's pretty romantic on Valentine's Day. As you can see, this is my beautiful red and white china. Even if you don't have red and white, having a basic white china, a basic white napkin, but maybe you have some holiday ribbon with maybe a little bit of touch of floral is really easy and special. So look at this beautiful little heart display of basic Post-its that I know everyone has. I think a great tip is if you have young kids, they can write loving messages to one another, for their families, grandparents, friends, teachers, etc. and just sort of post it up. It's really a simple and fun activity for all. Thank you so much for joining me today. Happy Valentine's Day.
Wow, those are great, great ideas. Of course, to learn more about making this Valentine's Day special, you know where to go, to our website, thedoctorstv.com. We're living in uncertain times. It's tough to keep up with the latest medical headlines.
About the market, panicked about COVID.
And how do those headlines impact you and your family? 100,000 people died. On season 13 of The Doctors, we want to empower you physically.
If I met them at dance, they would meet me at medicine.
Man, I love that. Emotionally.
If I can change my thoughts, I can change my feelings.
And medically.
He doesn't have his mask up, which is not a good thing.
This is the $1 million question, maybe the $1 trillion question. This is so critical for people to hear. We're giving you the inside track on health and wellness so that you can get back to the life you deserve. It's time to take back your power. The Doctors, now more than ever. Premieres September 21st.